What up world, it's your boy Killer Cuts Miami, and in this video I will show you how amazing my Gamma Plus clippers perform. I start off by using my Gamma Plus X-Evos to ball the sides and set my transition line. As you can see, it doesn't take much effort to get the job done. Now you see my X-Ergos at work, chopping at that fade. I love how they feel. It takes minimal effort to get the job done, to get my desired results. And honestly, in my 30 plus years of barbering, these are one of the most efficient clippers I've ever used. As I put the finishing touches on my fade, notice how clean and even my fade looks. I would recommend these clippers to anyone who's starting out in barbering and needs a confidence booster to help them learn and build on their craft. I do my facials with facial towelettes by Pores of Love. They do an amazing job of lifting heavy dirt and oil from the skin without being too abrasive. Stay tuned for future videos as I'll be doing tutorials documenting before and after, showing the results of using these towelettes. Thank y'all for tuning into this video. Like, share, and subscribe for future content. And don't forget to stop by GammaPlusNA.com to grab a set of these amazing clippers and use code MASTER and save 10% site-wide.